Presenting the Samsung Galaxy A22 5G smartphone. The product is available in grey color. It is also available in mint and violet colors. The three variants of color with different memory storage are available with and without offers. The phone comes with a 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory that allows for seamless multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 1TB. The phone comes with dual SIM slot and also has a micro SD card slot. The smartphone has a 6.6-inch TFT technology, Full HD Plus Infinity V-Cut display with 1080 into 2408 resolutions for an uninterrupted and immersive viewing experience. The 90Hz refresh rate ensures faster touch response and smooth actions. It also features Samsung Pay, where payments can be done securely. The phone comes with triple camera setup, which is segregated as 48-megapixel primary camera, 5-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel depth camera. The aperture ranges from f1.8 to f2.4. It also has 8-megapixel front camera combined with the bokeh effect for perfect selfies. It is powered by One UI 3.1 on Android V11.0 operating system with MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G, MT6833V octa-core processor with 2 GHz, 2.2 GHz refresh rate. The widest 11 5G band support for a true 5G experience. The phone comes with one lithium polymer battery with a power rate of 5000 mAh. The box includes handset, 15 watts fast charging adapter, SIM ejector, USB cable and user manual.
ऑर्डर के लिए QR कोड स्कैन करें या फिर डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करें और हॉट डील्स एंड ऑफर्स के लिए लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें।